Hi guys, so thank you so much for tuning in for this video. I know it's been such a long time since I've made any videos. I've taken quite a bit of a break. I had a baby about 5 months ago, and so the course of my videos will change a little bit more. I'm so excited to make mommy videos and also more clean with me videos. I'm excited to just do so many different videos. All the people that I'm following on YouTube give me so much inspiration and ideas for fun videos to make. So I really hope that you keep watching them, stay subscribed, and I really hope that if you're new to my channel that you decide to subscribe to my videos. And so this video that's coming up and right now is a nighttime routine that I have kind of put together in the last 5 months since I've become a new mom, and it's just a nighttime clean routine that I do every single night. I try to clean my kitchen and the living room, the two areas that I use the most every single day. But in this video I'm just showing you the kitchen since I've been gone the whole day basically, so the living room is clean. So the kitchen, what I do, you will kind of see step by step how I clean it, and it's sped up to make it more fun with some fun music. So if there's anything that you'd like, please comment down below for ideas, video ideas, suggestions, anything you'd like, and I'm so excited to read your comments, and I'm so happy that you're watching this video, and thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. So I hope you enjoy it.
Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. Do you miss the road that you grew up on? Did you get your middle name from your grandma? When you think about you forever now, do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Oh, want the good and the bad, everything in between. Oh, that'll cure my curiosity. Oh yeah, I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Yeah. And I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you.
My baby, she's Alabama, a Dixieland delight, kissing me like molasses, slow and sweet. time just right. She's an endless all year summer, yeah, sunshine 365. When she forgets the punchline, it still gets me every time. 'Cause I love every little thing about her love. And just a little ain't enough. I gotta get her, get a little more of all she does. I'm all hung up, 'cause I love every little thing about her love. Yeah, she's Seattle and Sonoma, runs on coffee and red wine. Easy like Sunday morning, wild like Saturday night. She's 24 karat goodness, and angels all I see. She dresses up for everything, but she only dresses down for me. And I love every little thing about her love. And just a little ain't enough. Gotta get her, get a little more of how she does. I'm all hung up, 'cause I love every little thing about her love. Yeah. Come on. Hey, hey. Yeah. Baby, she's Alabama, my Dixieland delight. She's everybody's dream girl, but she's all mine. And I love